Hello dear friends, see now how to head clean in head cleaning in Epson printer. See now, first you need to go here, start menu and device and printers, and there is printer, mouse. Need to click mouse this button, right button, and click here. Okay, new window is open, and you need to click preference. When you click preference, then open a new window. There is three options. One is main, second more options, third maintenance. You need maintenance menu. Click now and click here, head cleaning. Look, there is a nozzle check, head cleaning, print head and alignment. Others options are there. No need others option. I need head cleaning. There is head cleaning. Click here. Okay. There is open a new window and click start. Click start. And a new window is start. Look. Printer is head cleaning is starting. Roller is rolling. If you start, when you start head cleaning, then it take more than 2 minutes to complete. It's warming up, rolling automatically and head cleaning automatically. Sini. This is Epson L130. Epson L130. Good printer. This is a good printer from HP. This printer have extra ink tank. There is a ink tank. Epson. Okay, there is a ink tank. Okay, this is ink line. Ink line. Ink line. You can using this printer very cheaply print color printer, color photo. Okay, see there. Get cleaning in progress. Please wait. It just takes 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, head cleaning is complete. Look, there is a new window is open. There is a finish button and print nozzle check button pattern. You need to click here. Print, command print. There is a open new window. There is a pattern, clear pattern এটা. Look, there is a pattern. Something is missing. Something head is missing. Not printing. Something head. Okay. You can try to try, and once will okay. It will okay. Okay. Bye.